G'day viewers, I tried to get this transformer apart. This is that little one into this clock radio. I got the laminations apart okay, but the bobbin has all weakened. Don't know how to primary burnt, and you can see on the outside it's kind of discoloured, so it got hot. Yeah, it's got an open circuit. It's pretty thin wire, so very thin. Let's do some more carnage to these capacitors. Let's see if we can blow this battery up. I've got to be careful though, lithium batteries are quite risky. So let's see what happens. Okay viewers, before I do that, I'm going to make some improvements to this bank. I've got some nice big chunky carbon out of my subject to be popped. And on my positive rail, I'm going to put this big chunky wire. Much bigger bangs I get with that, so I'll be able to deliver much more current through that, so hopefully be some much bigger bangs instead of using these pissy little things. They're pretty much bloody fuse wire compared to this thing. That's why I'm not getting very good results. So got this set of that VR Calais out there. It's going to be parted out now, so might as well make use of these amplifier cables. They weren't even being used in that car anyway, so let's have some fun with these. Got my connectors in here. I'm going to use those old smart meter connectors, the big clamps. So there's one there. That'll clamp onto the discharge rod there, and it'll just stay on there permanently. So when I put this thing on, I just take the cables off and neatly store it away. So, okay, let's give this thing a test. I use a Variac, turn up the flat out 280 volts. Some extra over voltage on the should give me a little bit of extra kick. That's ready to go. Power on. Whoa! Much better! Much better! Much better bangs! Viewers, that discharge completely blew the leads off this battery. I had it hooked up the wrong way, so it would completely discharge it. Let's see if this thing actually still has a charge. So a multimeter down here. One down there. Just adjust it so you can see the multimeter. I'm going to hold the lead on. Negative and positive. Yeah, still fully charged. Unbelievable. Let's microwave this battery. Alright, position it even closer. Now let's try again. No, just not having it. Just not having it. Okay, got a small circuit board in there. Got about 4 resistors and 4 little ceramic capacitors. 3, 2, 1. Plasma. Ah, crack the jar. We think the wind's blowing away. Nah, not much plasma. This bowl's actually being blown, so little incandescent stop warning lamp of a tractor. So that can go on there. Hopefully this goes pop. Alright, let's sit back and watch the show. Three, two, one. A bit of a glow in there. on that. There's not much metal in this one, so it's gonna take a while to get popped. There's very little metal in there. Hopefully. There we go. Bloody wind. Come on, I want this thing to go pop. It's taking a while. Nah, this bulb's not going to do much else interesting. It's just not getting much pops today. Yeah. Oh well, that'll be enough for now, viewers. Didn't even slightly deform it. Thanks for watching.